while since I did this. Oh wait, nope, I don't want that. That's the intro. Text, starting screen, video cap. Oh nope, screen capture. There we go. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's doing all right. All right, so we'll go 1 minute. I'm looking for this high to be taken. Let's do this. Settings. Extend price labels. All right. So F11. Everything how I want it. All right. So we came down here, ran this sell side, this minor sell side here, rejected off of this, which is a 1 minute. Rejecting off of this 1 minute BISI. So now my attention's up here and then there. Again, I think these are too clean. I want to see them made jagged. So that's where we're targeting. And then 1 day. So on the daily, we still got this top half open. So that's why I want to see longs, at least the consequent encroachment of this again, if we could get it. So either stay halfway and go lower or lay over it completely. And the way this is sitting right here, I would like to see it lay over it completely and look for longs. But again, that's what I would like. Don't necessarily have to be right. It's just what I would like to see. I want to see you work up into here and then ultimately take these up here. Excuse me. Yeah, I feel like it's been a while since I recorded a video for sure. So I've still been trading, I just ain't been recording. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna erase that because that's on my 1 minute. Now I have another 5 minute BISI within a 5 minute BISI. Excuse me. 5 minute. I'm gonna extend this out. We're going to grade it with our levels. I like consequent encroachment. So that lets me know a lot. Again, I want to see if we can get up here, but we're dancing around this. So one thing I will do is move my stop loss up there. So I don't want to see it come back below consequent encroachment. Like I said, I like these highs up here. On my stomach. I want to see it stay in the top half of this and not go any lower than halfway. I mean, we could wick below half, but I don't want to see it close. Like I said, I like these highs up here. I think they're too freaking clean. versus this one. This was already ran. So that's why I am long. And then we already filled, excuse me, we filled this yesterday. So there's no gap in price down here. The only gap in price that I could see on my higher time frame is this one up here. So I want to see if we can get that. And then ideally, stay above consequent encroachment. So I want to see it stay above that. And then we'll put this on here too. This is the daily wick. Daily. Excuse me. Again, I like how we wicked into this. We wicked into it, stayed above it, didn't close within it. We have a minute 10 left in this. So I would like to literally see it stay just like this. Because again, this was already made jagged. Our next target I would like to see is up here. And the beautiful part, I could be wrong and I'm okay with it. Go watch me some Matrix today. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. Then 1 minute. We have this gap up here in price. So again, I want to see it get up here. There we go. Working up into there. I got 4 sitting up there. And then I'll leave the 2 to see if we can get any higher. My next target, after, if we hit that, would be up here and then up there. But again, if we hit that, we got to get through this first. And then we'll watch and see what the last 2 do. See what the last 2 contracts do and see where they would like to go. And we could just literally consolidate. Like we could literally just do this all day. So I'm gonna take this and then I'll wait until 9:30 and see what we get. Excuse me. And it's like, well, how far can it retrace? I don't want to see it coming wick back down into here because of what? Well, we came down, wicked, stayed above halfway. So I'd like to see it stay up there. It could come back down here. Not saying, it can't. It's just what I don't want to see. Preferably, I like to see it stay above halfway of this wick. Because before we get down here, you got to, the wicks are gaps. You got to get past all this before we can even think about coming lower. So I don't want to see it come back down here, which again, that's halfway of this wick. Because if I was on, so we'll just do it 1 minute. Got this gap in price here. And I don't want to see it come back below here. There's nothing down here unless it wants to come down here. But again, I don't want to see it close below consequent encroachment of that. Like that. We don't want to see that. Again, it could wick down there, but I don't want to see it close below there. Let's see what's on the 1 minute. Yeah, see, we got inefficiencies down there. I don't want to see it come back. See, that's okay. See how we wicked, didn't close below halfway. I want to see it do that and just go higher because, again, I like these up here. And I could be wrong. Like, this could literally just go sideways all day. We got 2 minutes and this 5 minute. On the 1 minute, we got continuous down close candles. Let's see if we can wick into this 5 minute one more time. I said I don't want to see it close below it. That's okay. Like, that's permittable. That's perfectly fine. So now, since we came down, wicked into this 5 minute BISI, buy side, sell side imbalance, and then let me get rid of some of this, and you'll see sell side. Let's go. Delete that. Let's get rid of this. That's that 5 minute wick. This right here is that wick. Like I said, I don't want to see anything close below this. I would like to see it come up, start working up here, working up there. Now we're back below it. We're dancing around it. All right, we just closed this. So we do have this down here we can revisit too, this volume imbalance. Right here. Literally stopped on a fucking dime. Like, literally stopped right at the top of that. That is like, what the hell? I swear sometimes it's like, how do you know these things? Literally stopped on a dime right at this volume imbalance, and then turned around and did what? Well, we came down and closed this 5 minute BISI. I said, I want to see these highs attacked. Excuse me. I'm going to start peeling things off. So when I came down in here at my entry again, I could have added more, but again, there's no point in that. No need to be greedy. And then 1 minute, I want to see it close this. We already waked up into it, so the chances of us waking up into it again, I want to see it close over it, attack these highs. I literally want to see something close over this. Make sure this microphone didn't die. Like I said, I want to see these highs attacked. Oh, my stomach. What the heck? Like I said, since 1 minute, we already wicked up into here. I want to see if we can get at least up to consequent encroachment. And then we'll see what we do there. I would like to see it blow through it. Because again, this was made jagged by this low right here. I want to see this high made jagged. And we just responded off of the 1 minute Sibby with the wick. So now we're going to watch that. Now again, I want to see it close above it. Start working it up into here. There we go. So we just bounced off that wick or the consequent encroachment again. 15 seconds in the 1 minute. Again, I want to see it push through it. We have a volume imbalance here, so we could retrace here and we could retrace into there. So I won't move my stop loss until we take my 4 off or minimum close this because we may not even get to that high. Retracing, we can retrace down into this volume imbalance. But look how we're responding at consequent encroachment of this 1 minute SIBI, sell side, buy side imbalance. We change that to red. So now we're watching how we operate a consequent encroachment. So where could we wick down into? We got 1, 2, this right here, and then all the way down in here. Like I said, I want to see this. I like that. I think that is plausible. I'm not saying that's where we're gonna go, but that's just what I would like to see. All right, 1, and we're down there. And again, this is a volume imbalance. So we just close that. Let me see. How do I do this? I don't want to extend it. Visibility. There we go. There we go. I want to see it pump through that. I want to see it close above halfway of this wick. So we want to see it stay above halfway of this. Then we'll do this number. I know it looks like a lot. Like it looks like a lot, but it makes sense. I promise you, it makes sense. It's one of the things you have to literally deep dive, forget everything. This is what I'm doing. So we're at the top of this 1 minute Sibby. I want to see again. I want to see if we can blow through it. I don't want to see it come back down. We close this volume imbalance. That's closed. The only thing down here is this right here, which I don't want to see retrace into. I want to see it stay above this right here, which is this 5 minute wick right here. I want to see it stay above that. Looks like oh, come on, give it to me. Give it to me, baby. Uh-huh, uh-huh. And again, if we don't tag that and we start dancing around the high, I'm going to start manually taking things off. I want to see it close above that. So I want to see it close above consequent encroachment of this 1 minute to work up into there. Like I said, I like these highs. I think they're too clean. We got 19 seconds in this 1 minute. I want to see if we can power through where my sell limit is. Oh, boom. That's 4. Let's see if we can get the other 2 up here. And then since we took some, I'm going to move my stop loss up there. Honestly, I could move it all the way at the bottom of this 5 minute because I don't want to see it come back down there. And we're pumping and we're pushing and we're going. We're pumping and we're pushing and we're going. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. So I did have some trades on overnight. I messed up and put. So I wanted to see the market go long. I must have put in a sell order because I was negative 100 and 200 something ticks this morning when I woke up. So definitely did something wrong in that aspect. But I mean, I know how to do this. Yeah, see right here, I took lost there, and that was overnight. Lost there, lost there. This was this morning. So yeah, we took a loss overnight, which I mean, it ran to my targets. I'll show you. But again, I think I had a sell order on. Where are we at? Yeah, this morning. Where are we at? Oh no, here, yesterday. So I wanted to see the market come up and close this. Or no, this. But then yeah, I'm not sure what I did wrong. Or I know what I did wrong. But I don't see it. But anyways, we'll figure that out. I digress. Yeah, that was my little run for today. I'm cool with that. I am more than pleased with that. So yeah, I'm about to go and enjoy the rest of my morning. And then if I was to continue to do this the rest of the day, let's look at a 15. Let's see, equal highs. Yeah, we could literally just go sideways. But I like this up here. The 25.045 and a quarter. Because that's a high over all of these. But I'm done with today. I'll be fine. I was able to see it, formulate it, execute, or see it, plot it, formulate, execute. That's what this is about. Nothing more, nothing less. Not trying to be at it all day. So yeah, that was an awesome little move. We got, pretty sure we got Fed speaking today. Okay, Kat. I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. Wow. Wow. Today is Empire State Manufacturing Index 7:30, or I guess 8:30. That's all we got on the economic calendar. Like I said, I'm cool with today. The only thing that I'm kind of like, I'm not gonna say upset, is my loss overnight. It's like, damn, What did I do wrong? Like I said, I must have had a buy order instead of a sell limit. So that's the only reason why I would have been um, going short this morning when I wanted to see the market go long. But yeah, man, love and live life. Um, I hope you're pursuing something you want to do, man. I hope you're pursuing something. I hope you're doing everything and anything that you want to do. Life is beautiful. Life is precious. Life is life. Life is loving. Love one another like you want to be loved. Look out for one another like you want to be looked out for. But yeah, I'm done. Love and live life. I would be looking out for longs the rest of the day. I'm short to go back into an imbalance, but I would definitely be looking for longs. So, love and live life, my beautiful people. Until the next one, holla. Godspeed, baby.